It's all about the money, honey.
Well, hello everybody, I am Spegtacular, the Silver Stacular. I have breaking news from NGC. As you can see right here, I'm just on my computer. My voice is a little messed up. Sorry, I think I have some sort of cold or something. Maybe it's the corona, I don't know. So NGC's website has some interesting news because they have sold the company to Blackstone. So right here on the front page of NGC's website, you can see that. I'm going to go to a letter from Mark Salzberg and Stephen R. Eichenbaum, and we're just going to read what it says right here. I'm going to talk about it briefly, and this is right from NGC's website. Posted on 7/1/2021, with acquisition by Blackstone, CCG starts a new chapter. Dear friends, we are excited to share some big news with you. For decades, we poured our hearts and souls into becoming the leading provider of services that add value, safety, and confidence to the world of collectibles. We're proud of what we've done and what we stand for. Today, we are excited to announce that Blackstone, one of the world's largest investment firms, has acquired a majority stake in the Certified Collectibles Group. We had always thought that we would never sell this incredible company, but when we were approached by Blackstone, we quickly realized that we shared the same vision for a larger, more vibrant, and more trusted collectibles market. So, in other words, they gave them a whole lot of money, and they didn't care if they were selling or not anymore. They were like, yep, we're selling. That's a lot of money. Sorry, again, sick. So Blackstone, I guess, has valued NGC at over $500 million. And so I can't find what the deal was, but they said they do value the company over $500 million. So in my mind, they paid over $500 million for NGC. So $500 million, somewhere around there, is what I have to work with. We also knew that Blackstone's enormous resources, expertise, and experience would help propel CCG and the markets that we serve to new heights. With Blackstone's support, we will accelerate our growth by hiring and training more graders, expanding our facilities, serving new markets, developing our digital offerings, and much more. These efforts will benefit our customers, employees, company, and industry. It is important for you to know that our accomplished leadership team and our hardworking employees will remain in place, ensuring continuity as we enter this next phase of growth. In addition, both of us will still hold a significant minority stake in the company. We and our entire team remain fully committed to you and the collectibles industry. Besides Blackstone, new investors in CCG include Rock Nation, Michael Rubin, founder and executive chairman of Fanatics SC Holding, a growth equity platform, Mastery, founder by Rudy Klein Thomas, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. A lot of other people, minority holders in the company. Because CCG, last I checked, was a publicly traded company. I never owned any stock in them. I thought about it, but actually, in hindsight, I wish I had, because they did do very well the last couple of years going up. Last but not least, it says, this amazing news is a testament to the extraordinary growth of the collectibles industry and the strength of CCG's services. We are grateful for all your support, and we look forward to an exciting future together. Best wishes, Mark Salzberg, CCG founder, and Stephen R. Eichenbaum, CCG CEO. Sorry, Eichenbaum, if I messed up your name. You got a crazy one there, buddy. You know what I mean? I'm trying my best. So yeah, that's the news. NGC has basically gave their company to Blackstone. And who is Blackstone? I didn't really know much about them. This news actually came to me by a member of mine named Kent. So thank you, Kent, for letting me know about this. Another viewer of mine, Charlie, says that apparently Blackstone has a lot of property out in New York, and I guess that's what they do. They buy a lot of property. They do hedge fund stuff, and man, they're just a big time investment firm. So you can actually go to Blackstone's website, and it's just blackstone.com, and they have a press release about this as well. I'll just quickly read the title here and a couple paragraphs. So on Blackstone's website, it says, Blackstone Tactical Opportunities to acquire the Certified Collectibles Group, a leading provider of tech-enabled authentication, grading, and conservation services for the global collectibles industry. So out of Sarasota, Florida, I guess. Blackstone announced today that and that's their ticker symbol for the New York Stock Exchange is BX, announced today that funds managed by its Tactical Opportunities business, or Blackstone, have agreed to acquire a majority stake in the Certified Collectibles Group, CCG, in a transaction valuing the company at more than $500 million. Mark Salzberg, CCG founder, and Stephen R. Eichenbaum, CCG's CEO, will retain a significant minority stake. Additional investors in today's transaction include those guys that I listed on the other paragraph. CCG is a leading global provider of expert, impartial, and tech-enabled services that add value and liquidity to collectibles. Founded in 1987, CCG offers authentication, grading, and conservation services that have unlocked billions of dollars in secondary market value. Today, CCG sits at the forefront of the fast-growing global collectibles industry, with offices on 3 continents, robust digital offerings, and comprehensive certification services for collectibles. Last paragraph we'll read right here. Blackstone will seek to accelerate CCG's growth, enabling the company to invest significantly in its current and planned services, adding and training new employees, expanding its geographic and product reach, acquiring new technologies, and developing its digital presence. Blackstone is one of the world's leading investment firms with nearly $650 billion in assets under management and a strong track record of creating value and a positive impact for the companies it acquires and the communities that they serve. So, there's been a little bit of drama with NGC last couple years, them having selling coins. People were kind of weirded out about that because one of the stipulations for a lot of these graders are that graders themselves are not allowed to be coin collectors, right? They can't be collectors. They just have to grade the coins. That way, they can't be biased or, persuaded, etc. So that, that's kind of a stipulation to some of these grading companies is you can't be a collector, which is interesting, right? You just have to like coins from a distance almost. But now NGC actually has participated in some of the selling. That's been a little bit of a weird thing for sure. Also, the rumors that some of these large bullion companies are basically working together with companies like NGC to make sure that a certain number of different coins are graded at a certain level. For an example, and this is just a rumor now, maybe let's call them the largest bullion company out there. Let's just use your imagination on who that is. They message NGC and say, hey, we have a whole monster box of silver eagles. I need to have these graded, the entire box. And NGC goes, okay, how many MS-70s do you want? How many MS-69s do you want? And how many just, sliders do you want? And maybe that company goes, okay, I need, at least 100 70s. I need 200 69s, and the rest can be sliders. And supposedly, from the rumors, NGC already has this stuff graded and ready to go. Already has this stuff, and they just send that amount to those large bullion companies, and the deal's done and over with. And then they hold that box that they were getting from that, large bullion company, and then they just start grading those, and the process just keeps cycling. Very interesting, right? There's a lot of rumors and back and forth about the large bullion companies and the grading companies working together, like that. Whereas you might get a 69 on a coin, the large, the large bullion company might be more likely to get a 70 just because they spend more money with companies like NGC. It's all very interesting. It's all very much a rumor, things I've heard for many years. So take that as just a rumor. But the rumor of NGC selling out to Blackstone is not a rumor. That is the news, and that has happened. So there you go, breaking news on the Spegtacular channel. In the rain and while sick, I have brought this to you. All right, hopefully you enjoy the news. Tell me what you think down in the comments of NGC selling out. I love this line right here. We have always thought that we would never sell this incredible company, but when we were approached by a whole lot of money from Blackstone, we quickly realized that we needed money and that we shared the same vision for a larger, more vibrant, and more trusted collectibles market. They just got a whole bunch of money, and that's what did it. You know, and I can't be mad at them. I mean, I would just have said that there, that, hey, we offered a ridiculous amount of money and we couldn't say no. But of course they can't just write that on their, you know, their news. It would make it look bad, right? Anyways, I got to go for now. I'm going to get some rest. Spegtacular is out.